Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Schaefer, and I will be telling you about
Star, ring, and bus topologies.
I'm going to begin with the star.
This is a star network layout.
Star networks are one of the most common topologies. The star topology has one central switch or hub that transmits messages from computer to computer. The device that sends the message must be able to handle an echo of its own message if one occurs. Usually there is a central device that handles the echoes for all the computers. All the devices are connected straight to the hub or switch, so a failed connection does not affect any other device on the network. The advantages of this topology include better performance, each device is isolated to prevent most network crashes, and the size of the network can easily be increased to the amount the hub allows. Disadvantages include a high dependence on the central hub. If the central hub fails, the network is useless. If the hub runs out of ports, the network cannot be resized unless modifications are made.
The next is the ring topology.
Ring is a topology where each connected device is connected directly to the next device in line. This topology is very unreliable since each device relies on the device before it to continue the network. If any failure occurs, the entire network stops working. Advantages to a ring network include better performance than a bus network under heavy network pressure. Also doesn't need a server to manage connectivity between computers. Disadvantages are, unless redundancies are set up, one error in a device could cause a complete crash in the network, slower than some other topologies used.
Finally, the bus topology.
Bus is a network topology where each computer shares a communications line called a bus, hence the name bus network. Collisions are the bus network biggest issue. Most bus networks have a control which regulates the device access to the shared communications line. Advantages: this type of network is easy to install. It makes a good network setup for a small or temporary setup. It's also cheaper than other networks, and cable failures are easy to identify. Disadvantages include the network is limited by the length of the cable. If there is a problem with the main cable, everything fails. Performance degrades as more devices are added to the network. The bus can only transfer one packet at a time, resulting in slower data transfer. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for listening to what I had to say.